Hey everybody, it's Mark for Foxwell. Just got this new i80 tablet scanner in the mail, so let's check it out and see what's in the box. All right, what we have in the case. First off, this strap is the new i80 tablet scanner. Has a 13 megapixel camera on the back with a light and a little kickstand to hold it up. So we'll set that over there for the time being. Underneath the scanner, you have your vehicle control interface. Off to the right, you have a 3-amp battery charger with the power cable, a data cable, and a Mercedes-Benz OBD1 connector. Behind the doors and the top of the case, you have various connectors for Toyota, Mazda, BMW, another one for Toyota. This is the 17 pin, this is the 20 pin, or 22 pin, excuse me. This is for your standard OBD2. You have a Honda 3-pin adapter, a GM Daewoo 12-pin adapter, a Kia 20-pin, and a Nissan 14-pin, excuse me. In the bag, you have some product literature, product brochure, a packing list. This scanner has a 2-year limited warranty with 3-year free updates, quick start guide, and then a user's guide. Other cables in the bag include a 12-volt car charger for the tablet, a battery cable clip connector with fuses, an Audi 4-pin connector, a PSA 2-pin connector, a Fiat 3-pin connector, and the Mitsubishi 12+16 cable connector. It also includes this USB Type A cable connector because periodically, if you have to update the operating system in the tablet, you have to connect this cable to the vehicle control interface and then connect this to the USB port on the computer to relink the vehicle control interface to the tablet. So that's what's in the case. In the future, look for additional videos of the i80 Max in use. Again, if you have any questions, go to foxwelltech.us under products, look for the i80 Max.